guys, Mario here, and I just wanted to make a tutorial on how to set up Source SDK. And I know there's a lot of tutorials out there on that, but I'm also going to show how to fix the Source SDK 2009 engine. What really helped me on trying to figure this out is that Chris at Gpoint put up this little link that shows how to do it, and he basically just got it from Steam, but a lot of people are not like smart enough to go to Steam and look at it because they don't know that it's there. So when he showed me that link, I found out how to do it. So I'm just gonna show you how to do this. First, I'm gonna start off with showing you how to download Source SDK. So you're gonna go to Steam and press on the Steam icon, and I'm sure you have a faster computer than mine, so then you're going to go to your library, and you're going to click on all games, then go to tools. Then you're gonna go all the way down to where it says Source SDK. Now you might not have Source SDK if you don't have a Source game. Then I don't know why you would be watching this, but if you have Source SDK, you would click on this and you would download it or launch it if you already downloaded it. Now I already have it launched, so no need to launch that. So once you get your Source SDK up, yeah, I'm gonna look at Chris at Gpoint's link. I know that I could just I'll put the link in the description just so you can read it, but a lot of people don't like to read and stuff, so I'm just gonna go through the steps, and also it's easier to look at a screen and watch someone do it, in my opinion. So first, Chris at Gpoint posts that click on edit game configurations. So you're gonna press on edit game configurations. Anything should pop up like this. Now you're gonna press add, and then you're going to let's see, what does it say? Click on add. A box will appear when you can manually input the name, and where you can manually input the name in the directory of the game you wish loading using Source 2009 SDK. So you're gonna add the game. Put the name of your game. So if you're doing Half-Life 2, it doesn't have to be, like how it actually looks, but I typed it in, see how it really looks when you type in the name. But basically you would go like that, and then it says for name, enter the name of you will be loading SDK. So yeah, I think I copied it a long time ago, but yeah. So for directory, click browse or manually input the directory of the installed game files. For deathmatch, it will be install drive directory. Blah 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 blah. So basically, you would go to browse and wait a couple seconds, except for me because my computer sucks. You would go to wherever your program files are, or local disk. My computer's a little different, so I don't know. So you go to local disk, then you would go to program files, like here. You would go to Steam. Although your folders might be a little different. Basically, you're just going to where your your Steam folder is. Then you'd go to Steam apps. It's weird. I think all my things are already checked. Something like that. Steam. Apex. Steam apps. Then you'd go to the game that you want. So you have a bunch. Oh no, you would go to your account. So mine is CS Mass W. Then you'd click your game and the directory in which it's in. Now it could be, I think it's C Strike, HL2MP, TF2. Yeah, those are source games. So basically, you're just doing all this stuff if it doesn't work when you click hammer, the hammer editor. So you click on HL2MP. Now, yeah, so once you click that, then you click, I don't know why mine is like this. Like it says select right there, SEL. So you would click that, and then you'd press OK. Now I don't want to press OK because I already have Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. So you would press OK, and then you would press on hammer editor. Okay, wow, I just messed up. Once you completed these steps, you will need to close Source SDK and reopen it. So I don't need to do that since, you know, I did all these steps already. But you would close Source SDK and then reopen this. Now it says when Source SDK is reopened, select Source 2009 under Engine, Version, and Current Game. Select Half-Life 2 Deathmatch or whatever. So you would now select 2009 if it's not on 2009, and then you would select the game you want. Counter-Strike Source, DFTV Source, Team Fortress 2 Portal. So yeah, and then now you click on Hammer Editor like I just did, and I shouldn't have, but whatever. And from the drop-down menu, select Tools Options. So now you would go to your hammer, which is loading. There we go. You go to Tools Options, and now it says a game configurations window will appear, and make sure Half-Life 2 Deathmatch is selected as your configuration. Okay, now so that yes, it is Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. I did all these steps. Below this, you'll see game data files where there currently should only be one FGD file loaded. Steam user directory, source SDK bin, orange box, base.fgd. So game data files. Let me see. FGD load. So game data files. Mine isn't like that. That's weird. Orange box. You will need to change this. Oh, never mind. You will need to change this. I'm always one step behind. Select Steam user, blah blah, and remove it. Blah blah blah. So you would go to, like I did, you would go to Steam directory, like your username, then source SDK, then bin, orange box, bin, HL2MP. So your Steam user directory, if you're confused, because I always get confused on this stuff a long time ago when I didn't know where my stuff was. This is in Program Files, Steam Apps, then your username. Your Steam might be in Valve, I don't know, but because this guy's saying Valve, Steam Apps. So yeah, after completing the final step, close and restart Hammer. Load the new FGD file and HL2MP files. Yeah, entities. Anyways, so yeah, you would close Hammer, and then I would close it, and then I would start it up again. And now you should be ready for making maps. So yeah, load up Lotus City. Because I'm gonna start mapping. See ya, YouTube.